Well, guys, hello. I just want to say that this is insane. I mean, what you're looking at right now is my prediction, a chart I made for Amazon, and like I said, like I always say, these charts were made days in advance. So you're watching it right now, but I actually made this like a week ago by the time you're watching this. Something like that. You can actually see the charts and the date I originally posted them on my X account, formerly known as Twitter. So if you wanna see this, so you can check for yourself that I am not lying, I'm not making anything up. I'm not drawing these charts days after the events happen. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to leave that link for you to check out. But just look at this. I mean, look at this perfection. This is the definition of perfection. Now, I'm going to explain what these circles represent. If you cannot see this already, I mean, this is very obvious. It's 100% accurate. So the green circles basically represent an uptrend. So when you have these numbers, for example this one, it says basically I'm expecting an uptrend on February 22. When you have circles with two numbers in this format, that means that I'm expecting an uptrend either happening on February 28 or February 29. That could also mean that the trend carries over from part of that day that begins until some hours of the second day. Now, yellow charts mean that there is going to be either volatility or the price stays in range. So what by volatility mean? I mean obviously that you have, for example, you're starting here for 2016, and then you dip right here by February 20. This is volatility. But when the price stays in range, like this, for example, or like this, it means that there's not much happening. I mean, the opportunities for scalping, for example, are minimal. So this yellow circle basically says that I'm expecting the price staying in range either with volatility or not by February 23 or February 25. So this is February 23, as you can see, and it literally did exactly what I predicted. I mean, the price stayed in range for the entire day. No volatility, no dips, no impulses, just a good old range, basically. And the next day, this is Monday 26, I'm expecting an uptrend, a green circle right here. So this will continue to go up. Now the price, that could depend on many things. I am not really focused on predicting the price, but if I were to say, it will be right below 180. Yeah, 180. I'm expecting to open or to develop somewhere around here. And then by February 27, I am expecting a downtrend, followed by an uptrend on February 28 or February 29. And by March 2, we're going to see a dip, followed by volatility or range, and finally another uptrend. So the reason why you're seeing this and you're probably freaking out, not only because I'm 100% accurate, but also because no one really uses circles in their technical analysis. I have never seen a trader in my life who actually uses circles, let alone using them like I'm doing right now. So this is actually messy because it has massive implications. I literally just started into trading. I got into trading like a week ago or something. I mean, I know just the basics of technical analysis. I have spent some time reading books, watching tutorials, but I never seen actually someone to predict the price with extreme accuracy like I have done. And this is not the only example. I mean, I have another charts for crypto, for other assets that are also 100% accurate. And I'm not saying every time it's 100% accurate. There could be a day where, for example, this day could be yellow instead of red or whatever. But the entire session is above 80% accuracy. And right now, as it stands, it's 100% accurate. So yeah, this is the chart for Amazon. I'm going to show you another chart that I made. Well, first off, I want to show you NVIDIA. Now, I already made a video on NVIDIA, but like I said, this was also 100% accurate, except for this right here, this obvious market manipulation on February 22. After all the stocks, all the big boys, all the big sharks in the game put it together and teamed up so that NVIDIA doesn't fail. And I wasn't expecting it to fail on its earnings, but I mean, this is clearly market manipulation because this impulse is rather weak. And right here is a downtrend which I expect to develop even lower by tomorrow, by Monday 26. But I already made an entire video about NVIDIA, so I'm not going to explain it again here. So I'm going to show you Tesla, another 100% accurate prediction. So this one, as you can see, was made. I made the chart on first. I predicted that the chart will be red, will be a red circle by February 2016, and as you can see right here, it reached the peak of February 2016. This is where the day started and went all the way down to here, basically confirming my prediction. I also predicted a downtrend all the way down, or the days coming leading up to February 21 to be also downtrendy. So as you can see, this was also a downtrend with volatility as it recovered, and this is where February 21 started, but also, like I said, another downtrend. And this is basically where February 22 ended. This is where the day ended. Now by February 22 I expected volatility, and exactly that's what happened. February 22 starts right here, goes up, and then it stays right here. Then goes down by February 23 and in range, basically in range. So the next day I don't have a circle for the next day, which is Monday, February 26, but I have a circle for February 27, which is an uptrend. So I am expecting to be either volatility or an uptrend for tomorrow, leading up to February 27, which I have predicted to be an uptrend. So this means, as you can see also, I mean, look at this, the blue lines. The blue lines that I draw are not really price predictions. They are merely like guides for me to pan out how the chart will look like given these parameters of the circles that I make. So, but you can see right here that it's nearly, I mean, it's uncanny how similar they are behaving, how almost 100% accurate. And I do have a chart that is 100% accurate. I'm going to show you right now, but it's not the topic of the video to be talking about cryptocurrencies. But this chart is this chart is the definition of perfection. I mean, Look at this. I started the prediction right here, right as Monday 19 February ended, and this big yellow circle starting in February 20, and boom, as you can see, this is perfection, bro. I mean, no one does it like this. No one does it like this. No one has this talent. And I'm literally just starting into trading, so it's insane how accurate this is. Almost like I can see the future, right? It almost looks like that. It's insane. So anyway, I'm not here to brag or anything. I mean, I'm just stating the facts. There's no one on earth alive that is doing this, let alone having this accuracy. I mean, 100% accuracy, I mean, that's insane. Anything above 16% accuracy is considered almost divine tier. I don't know, because as you know, most traders, of the 100% of traders, like 80% or 90%, they lose their money, and the 10% that remain are the only ones who are profitable. But usually the ranges, their estimates, are only above 51%, 55%. I mean, it's insane that I am having these extreme numbers in accuracy, 100%, 90%, 80%, when I'm just like literally starting into trading. I mean, it's actually insane, and it's going to be even better. It's going to get even better. So yeah, going to finish this video right here. Like and subscribe. This will revolutionize the entire trading world, the entire finance world. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it. So if you want me to bring more charts, you want me to bring more predictions and my insights on anything financial related, you subscribe, hit that red button, and you'll be guaranteed to be watching the best content out there in the entire financial world. So yeah, until next time.